Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize game development with Unity step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing Unity Hub from the official Unity website. Open Unity Hub and click on the New Project button. Select a template that suits your game, like 2D, 3D, or URP, based on your game's requirements. Name your project and choose a location on your computer to save it. Click Create to open your new project in the Unity editor. Familiarize yourself with the Unity interface, focusing on the Scene, Game, and Inspector panels. Set your project settings by navigating to Edit and selecting Project Settings. Under Player, configure the settings for your target platform, including resolution and graphics options. Ensure you have the necessary build modules installed for your target platforms. Next, organize your project folders in the project window for assets, scripts, and scenes. Import assets from the Unity Asset Store or your local files to get started with your game development. Create your game objects by right-clicking in the Hierarchy panel and selecting the appropriate object type. Use prefabs for commonly used objects to ensure consistency across your game levels. Add scripts by creating a new C# script in your Scripts folder. Open the script in your preferred code editor and write the necessary code for game mechanics. Go back to the Unity editor, select your game object, and attach your script in the inspector. Utilize Unity's physics engine by adjusting rigid body components on your relevant game objects. Implement animations by using the animator component to enhance character movements. Create a user interface using Unity's UI tools, adding elements like buttons and text. Connect your UI to game logic by writing scripts that respond to user input. Test your game frequently by clicking the play button in the Unity editor. Use the console window to monitor any errors and receive feedback during testing. Optimize performance by profiling your game through the Profiler window. Adjust quality settings in the project settings to improve frame rates and reduce lag. When satisfied with your game, prepare it for build by going to File and selecting Build Settings. Choose your target platform and click Build to create. As a final step, gather feedback from testers to make necessary improvements before releasing your game. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.